This video will cover adding business information and how it's used in the CMMS. Business information is important to add to your CMMS so that you can associate assets with a vendor. This will allow you to automatically send RFQs for low stock items, compare supplier prices, and make purchases in the purchasing module. Let's start by adding a new business. Select Business, press New. Let's start with the business name. You can assign the business a vendor code in your CMMS. Add a primary contact and their name will appear on any request for quotes and purchase orders. Fill in the phone and fax numbers if available. A primary email for the business is critically important. All relevant correspondence from the CMMS will go to this email, so don't forget to add one. I'll also select my business classification. You can add more than one of these. Moving on to the Location tab. In the Location tab, you can enter the postal address for the vendor. Once you've entered any relevant information, hit Save. You can add a file to the Files tab by hitting the New button and selecting your file, or simply by dragging and dropping your file into the tab. Assets, parts, and supplies can be linked to this vendor in the Associated Assets tab. To do this, I select the Add icon and select the asset from the drop-down menu. Let's choose a part for demonstration purposes. Add the business type, part number, catalog number. I can continue to associate more assets to this business in the same way by selecting the Add icon and filling out the fields. I can assign personnel to this business under the Personnel tab. For example, let's add Michael. He's employed by this vendor and visits our site regularly, so has login access to our CMMS. The Log tab simply indicates my purchase orders, RFQs, and receipts associated with this business. Now that I have the vendor set up in the CMMS, I can choose them anytime I search the list of businesses throughout my CMMS. Thanks for watching this video.